couple of people ask me, how do you repair plaster wall? That's simple. See how sometimes I just drywall it right on top of it, or the plaster, you just buy a half. For the plaster, you only buy a 1/4 inch thick drywall, not a 1/2 inch thick. Make sure you buy a 1/4 inch thick drywall. That should be patching up to here. All right. First, I outline right here. I outline where my drywall is going to be. So after you trim it to where you want it, okay? So this is what you do. You just put remember, plaster is only a 1/4 inch thick. So you only go put a 1/4 inch drywall, not a half inch drywall. See this? Still a little wobble but once you put this in, everything's stopped. So now you want to put your compound. Okay, that's it for now. I'm not going to show you how. I'm not going to show you skimming on top of those wet tape. You don't skip on top of wet tape. Even people work for me, I tell them not to skim over wet tape. And I see a lot of people doing it on YouTube, Facebook, and that. I never even experienced this. I've been doing this for 15 years. okay, since 2010, since January 2010. So once it's dry, I'm going to show you how to skim it. Then it's going to be even out. See, after everything dry, okay, now you can skim it. Because paper tape is going to wrinkle. That's why you never skim it after how other people do it. You never skim it. See, that's how it looks. Okay. Drywall to plaster. Can't really tell. See it? But remember, only use a 1/4 inch drywall, not 1/2 inch, because the plaster is 1/4 inch.